Hi, today we are going to be, first of all, let me close this out. And today we are going to be playing some more bldiiiii basics. And this time, yo, everybody, it's me. We're back at it again with some more bldiiiii basics. And yeah, I've been gone for a while. Seven. Let's play story mode. Story mode. Oh, that's pretty cool, guys. I actually downloaded the iOS version. It kind of sucks, but it's actually pretty good. You can check it out on Angela Last, which is my old account. So go ahead. I don't really care. I think that's -1. Yeah, that's -1. It's 8. I can locate it. I'm looking forward to using the controller with this. I didn't even pick it up at first. I want to see if the rest is like you need rest. Okay, it's much faster than original bldiiiii basics. That's 3. It's 8. And wait. That's right. Problem 3. Good. Okay. Freaking frown. Oh my god. Hold on, Magic. Gotta calm down. Like, right now? No! 1, 2, 3. Bye, have a great time. Bye. Have a great time. I am leaving. Oh god, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. I don't need rest right now. No, no. Oh. That actually really sucks. Hold on, let me. Oh. The boy is right there. The baldy. You've been there for hours, if not months. Well, crap. He's waiting like. Sleep. Quickly grab that. No squeeze door type. I gotta. Oh, the principal actually pushed Baldy. Hold on.
It's mine now.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you.
Ah!
Puppy, I need my computer.
There he is.
I need my computer where you are, puppy.
So yeah, I went in there. Go check it out.
No running in the hall.
No running in the hall. Oh, thank you, principal.
15 seconds. Detention.
What was that a good thing or a bad thing? I'm not sure. He probably knows where I am. Oh, excuse me. Hopefully the principal's like not like right out of the stupid whatever. Ooh, zesty ball. The energy flavored zesty.
I am coming with your door. Here I come.
Oh, the hacking things. Okay. 0 to 8 is 8. How did I get that? 0 minus 8 is 8. And it didn't even... You don't say. I get angry for every problem you get wrong. Dang it then.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
I knew it. Where is he?
Sweep.
Okay, he's coming this way. I better get the heck out of here. Quarter. Okay, so I got the quarter. Dude is like right. No!
Will you marry me?
No, you suck. Okay, yeah, push me down the hole. Oh wait, no. No!
No running in the hall.
Are you serious?
30 seconds. Detention for you. You should know better.
Haha! You should not be coming in here. He's really close? Oh, jeez! Can he get... He can. That's not... I think that's it for today. Bye!